In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list your NFT on the Binance NFT Marketplace. If you're ready to enter the world of digital collectibles and make your NFT available to potential buyers, you're in the right place. Before we dive into the process, there are a few things you need to have prepared. First and foremost, ensure that your Binance account is fully verified through their KYC process. This step is crucial, as it provides the necessary security and compliance to operate on the platform. You also need to have your NFT minted and in your possession, or it should be sitting pretty in your collected NFTs within your Binance NFT profile. You'll want to prepare your NFT collection details, including the category, any relevant image or metadata, and the title. Don't forget to have enough of the suitable cryptocurrency in your wallet to cover any potential listing fees, if applicable. Lastly, know whether your NFT collection is verified or unverified on Binance, as unverified collections might come with additional restrictions, like a clearing period. Now, let's walk through the actual listing process step by step. Start by logging into Binance and heading over to the NFT Marketplace. From there, navigate to your profile and select Collected NFTs. This is where you'll find the NFT or mystery box you wish to list. Once you've located it, you'll see a button labeled List NFT. Give it a click. Alternatively, you can visit the specific detail page of your NFT and choose to list it from there. Next, you'll need to decide how you want to sell your NFT. You have two options: fixed price or auction. With the fixed price option, you simply set a price and a buyer can immediately purchase it at that set amount. The auction option, on the other hand, lets you set a starting bid, and you can even set an optional buyout price. This buyout price allows someone to purchase instantly without waiting for the auction to conclude. Remember to set the minimum increment for bids, whether it be 5%, 10%, or 20%. After choosing your sell method, enter your desired price and select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Binance supports options like BNB, BUSD, and others. If you opted for the auction style, this is also the time to input your buyout price if applicable. Moving on to timing. Decide when your listing should go live: immediately after review or on a scheduled date and time. Note that the earliest you can schedule is 12 hours post-submission, and you can set the listing duration from a minimum of 12 hours to a maximum of 7 days. Before you finalize anything, take a moment to review all the listing details, including fees. Pay close attention to these, especially if your collection isn't verified, as there might be different proceeds and clearing periods. Confirm that every detail is correct, from the price to the listing duration, then hit Submit. Finally, your listing enters an automatic review phase by Binance, typically completed in about 10 minutes. If everything checks out, your NFT will be officially listed. You'll receive a notification, and you can find your active listing by going to Profile, My NFTs, and then Listings. And there you have it, a straightforward path to listing your NFT on one of the leading marketplaces.